Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are exploring how to create a business product mock-up using 3D Workspace in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place the product label. I pause because mock-ups sell perception. I convert the label into a 3D cylinder. The 3D Workspace opens clearly. I rotate the product slowly. I increase depth for realism. Business mock-ups must feel touchable. I add soft highlights. I adjust shadows to ground the object. I zoom in to check edges. I zoom out to judge balance. The product now feels market-ready. 3D